Which explanation is bogus? Here is a super interesting example of transforming potential energy stored in chemical bonds into light energy without the heat and byproducts of a combustion reaction. In this case, three chemicals are usually added together, two that react to produce energy, and a third that is excited by this energy to release lots and lots of light. This phenomenon is called chemiluminescence. And yes, you've seen it before because it's the same reaction used to produce light in glow sticks and glow necklaces. Have you ever seen hot ice? This unusual ice is formed in the laboratory under high pressure and high temperatures. At almost 700 degrees Celsius, this ice can boil water almost instantly, and it condenses the water vapor around it, causing instant clouds to form. It's used primarily by the military to sanitize dirty water in seconds, so it's safe to consume and use for other medical purposes. If you're super careful, you can even use it to make a giant hot bubble. Did you know that regular light is made up of many wavelengths or colors of light? When this light travels through droplets of water, some of the colors get bent more than others, and a rainbow is formed. And you can separate light in a similar way using a CD and a flashlight. Like water drops, the CD separates white light into all colors that make it up. The light waves reflect off the ridges of the CD, and this produces the colors that you see. The colors that you see are interference colors, like the shifting colors you see in a soap bubble. So which explanation is bogus? It's number 2. It's not really hot ice. It's actually dry ice or frozen carbon dioxide. And it's quite cold at minus 109 degrees Fahrenheit. So did you guess correctly?